Hello and welcome back to another episode from Game ID to Steam. So today we will turn this game ID into a to-do list in Trello. As you can see, I have created 5 different columns for ID, nice to have, must have, in progress and done. So we will copy each line from the game ID and make it into a new note in Trello so we can keep track of the progress. I will also add some labels so I can keep track of the different kind of steps of the game, like menu, in-game, loading screen, and so on. When I've moved it, I will cross out the text so I keep track of what I have been moving. Not every game ID should be in must-have. Some things are nice to have and should be added when the game is actually working. So to say, like polishing the game later on. One thing I think is important is that you have a working game prototype before you start adding features that's not really necessary. And here I will just speed up things so you don't have to follow along when I move all the things. Now when I have moved everything, I'll go through the must-have features to make sure that we have coverage of all the parts needed for the game to work. In this case, I forgot that I need a menu environment. Then I'll organize them in the correct priority. So when I develop the game, I have a clear road on how to develop. I did forget to have the fundamental of the player controller, so we need to add the possibility to join and leave. Also control the user via the input stick, joystick on the controller. Grab and hold on things like using the right and left clicker trigger. And just tidy things up so I don't get lost when I'm developing later on. And since I put everything in labels, I can use the built-in filtering for just starting with the environment in the menu items. So let's start with the environment for the menu. We'll go into the GDD and find a reference image that I like. I like this dual lift because they are quite common, so people will feel familiar. And that's all for this episode. Next episode we will start building the environment, so don't miss that episode. It will be quite fun with character design and so on, so don't miss it. See you next time. Bye.